So we'll head on down. I like the wrought iron railing, but you gotta watch your head on this because this house, again being 1926, pipes going upstairs for heat were external, so that was okay in an area like this, which may or may not have been unfinished back in the day. Fluorescent lights down here, steep staircase, and watch your head on the beam. They have really cleaned up down here. There was all kinds of stuff laying around. The Galaxy box fans, window fans are still here, so that's good. They have not been touched. They have not been oiled. Nothing has happened with them as of yet. The dehumidifier, Hampton Bay, I think it is, yes. Let me get the light here a second. Hampton Bay is the one they're using because that's the other one that I never took that crapped out, I guess for a second, because it's all the way off. There is a difference. In order to not short cycle it, I'll leave it for now. They have this like Bowflex thing, or Max by Wider. Shouldn't it make you slimmer? But it's by Wider. Maybe that's why it takes up 2 ceiling tiles worth. I don't know. Power was run out to the garage, like I said. I believe it goes over that big, thick black cable there. Saw it yesterday somewhere. Here, garage panel, 100 amp double breaker, so serious power going out there. That's that. That's how that was. The gas meter is still here, obviously. And once again, the dehumidifier and fire extinguisher and all that stuff that was here is still here. This light is still here and plugged in. You gotta hold it. It lights. So it's a preheat without a starter. That can be converted and the starter added. But it's just there as kind of a fixture of the house. Bathroom, nothing has changed. Let's see, we'll put the light on here. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Shower, fluorescent bulbs for the basement. Here's the fan. Kind of makes a whistly sound. The wall heater is still here. I'm not even going to touch that this time. We'll see, maybe another time. So that's really it in this area of the basement. The Millenniwasher. It's still here, and it still works. Somehow. Maybe they never do laundry. I don't know. But allegedly it still works. Same crap, not running a load. I'm going to wait, and maybe my sister will have me over one of these years, because I haven't seen her since last March when Calderona started. That was the last I saw her until, I don't know, a week or two ago. So yeah, Millenniwasher is still here, and the, yes, thank you, gas dryer is here. Irons, what's left of free and clear detergent. She has Ajax, Woolite, Resolve Stick, water, which used to be Windex. Okay, Niagara spray starch. Interesting she has that. And Bounce, some Clorox bleach. Yeah, that's it. Here is a box for power that goes out to the garage. So I think they ran power through the ceiling, came into this box, and then it splits out in here and goes through the foundation and underground. Not exactly certain, but that's what I believe. Over here is the boiler and water heater. Nothing to report. Everything is exactly the same as it has been. Nothing has really changed. I'm not certain. I would have to review the video if this wall was here, because this is tight. I don't think I got that much bigger in like a year, so I don't know. Something, I can't tell, like it was this mudded and not sanded, like it's going to be painted one day, or I don't know. And this has had to have been added at some point. I just don't know. I could understand why having an outlet here would be handy, certainly, because otherwise there just fucking isn't any. Holes in the wall that were there, water service. Still not sure about what this is or was. Possibly water service used to come in there back in the day and was capped off for some reason. Don't know. Ripple in the floor. The concrete floor. I don't know. In a house this old, you just don't ask questions. Everything else is exactly as it was. And now in the coal room, nice metal box, incandescent bulbs, very low ceiling. My head is, just about right there, so very short. Some paint cans and other stuff. I don't know what that is. A fluorescent light. That may have been the one, yeah, that was in my sister's apartment before she moved. It's not a preheat. I actually had found that at a thrift store and bought it and ended up giving it to her, and it made it here and wrapped it in plastic. Bubble wrap. Boxes of storage and things. Some sort of computer monitor that looks to be missing the stand or the base, whatever you want to call it. That's it. There's nothing else to see down here. So I guess at this point we're going to head all the way upstairs. You can hear the refrigerant. Some twerp was probably going to say, you should have turned it off. Okay, it's turned the fuck off. Well, the fridge had started back up. I don't know about you, but I'm hearing like a brrrr. And it may get worse as it runs longer. I don't know. But anyway, we're going to head upstairs now. So let me grab my tripod because there's going to be fan twerps. And we're going to head upstairs. But that is going to be in another video. So make sure you click like. Make sure you click subscribe. And take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.